Yo, what's up, guys? If you're here, you are interested in building a one-man AI business. You just came in from a Meta ad, an Instagram ad, and hopefully you read the copy where it said read caption. My name's Jeff, HVT Jeff. I'm the founder of High Vibe Tribe. It's a Discord community for personal development and helping you succeed in the entrepreneurial space. I want to give you guys a presentation on the one-man AI business, what it is, and some of the things that you can get when you become a member. Okay, so this is going to be a little taste of what you get inside the membership. So we have a couple things. One, the Discord group is $69 per month, and you get 2 weekly calls with me where I'm screen sharing and I'm presenting mental models and ideas for you to implement and take action and execute to make money. So the one-man AI business plan, I want you to recognize first that AI is an opportunity and AI is a revolution. It's an enlightenment revolution period, meaning if you look at the Renaissance, the Enlightenment period, the printing press, AI is this, and so we're in a new time. This is the book that I read, The Age of AI by Henry Kissinger, which kind of inspired this business. And some of my history, again, I graduated from college with a information science degree, information technology, science, and arts from the University of Arizona. And I read this in college, Ray Kurzweil, How to Create a Mind. And one of my capstone projects in college was creating a algorithm using Bayes mathematics, Bayes probability to see a eye blink rate for machine vision. So I kind of have a history with this. I never applied it. I went into the solar sales space and I did about $1 million in personal sales revenue. And then I decided to do most of my business online just due to all the technology, how AI is coming out. Everything's becoming easier and simpler. So like the model here is, if you're an entrepreneur, you probably have an entrepreneurial background if you're here. We've had guys in the credit repair space. We've had guys launching their own healthcare products with AI. We've had guys come in real estate, all kinds of niches come in. And so what we're going to do for you is I want to show you kind of the model of how the one-man AI business is built. But I specifically want to show you how I learned these mental models. So I learned, and specifically about, so what you're looking at here is just kind of a lucid chart. The reason for this is just because it's easier to explain and show you kind of all the pieces. But really the big thing here, guys, is if you're an entrepreneur and you have like 5-10K cash and you're doing maybe 1-2K per month in your entrepreneurship thing, not from your job, not from your 9 to 5, but 1-2K per month from your side hustle or your entrepreneurial gig, and you want to hit 100K per month and become a legend in your niche, I'm going to show you how to sell AI. I'm going to show you how to build AI infrastructures and sell them and build your own one-man AI business. So this opportunity, in order to get you from here, okay, you got 10K saved up, you got a couple K coming in from credit repair or something like that. I'm going to show you guys kind of my system. What's really going to get you there? One, what's going to get you to 100K is growth partners. Okay, getting these builds. The reason you want partners is because eventually you're going to be adding so much value to people's businesses that eventually you're going to want to get a piece of the pie, a piece of revenue. This is what Alex Hormozi does. His model is mostly education, and then he actually partners and invests in companies. Similarly here, we're investing in you by giving you this information kind of up front. But so here, this is what's getting growth partners is really what's going to get you to 100K per month. One, you get upfront pay from building the system. Two, you're collecting data from all kinds of different verticals and niches, which you can repurpose. So we're not going niche based, we're going broad. Okay. And we're going to be able to service all niches. Okay. So that's why this model is interesting. If you come in and you just want to add AI to your niche, we can help you with that as well. The next thing is the infrastructure, actually building an infrastructure out. What is the systems? What is the software? How do we host everything like that, right? The next one is just getting talent on your team. What kind of talent, what kind of people do you need on your team to get to 100K per month? Now, AI is really getting to the software as a service space. So I break this down like this. For each of these categories here, we are going to just filter by systems, processes, and people. What are the systems we need to get partners, to get AI builds? Okay. What are the processes we need to get AI builds? This is sales. And what are the people we need to get sales? Okay. So getting partners, getting AI builds, this is sales and lead generation. So the systems for this, you do cold outreach, you do meta ads, and we can run them through a CRM, and then we can run through AI setters and stuff like that. Okay. The processes would be, getting contacts or doing different targeting with Meta, setting up a personal brand so that you're creating maybe content, getting your sales scripts and your setting scripts dialed. And the next thing would be people. Okay. Can we get some setters? So when you have leads coming in or people emailing you back, people clicking on your ads, watching your video sales letter, you have setters that actually go in and place them on your calendar, and then maybe even closers to come run sales for you. Sales is going to be one of the major things that gets you to 100K per month. The next thing would be the infrastructure, which is what I'm going to build out for you next. The infrastructure is basically what is the system that delivers on the AI. And so in our case, we're using things like Air.ai, SynthFlow, and there's a few other infrastructures that we can build and release into your entrepreneurial venture, your small business, your agency, your SaaS, and we can also white label this. Okay, so we can white label this into your agency, and you can go broad and serve all niches through your AI infrastructure that we can place into your business. Also, we can just do this for you. And this is interesting with different business models, because a lot of these business models, it's all about sales. It's all about sales and marketing, and we will actually fulfill for you. Okay, so we actually have the infrastructure built to fulfill the AI on your behalf for any of your partners, any of your customers. So let's say you're a mortgage agent, mortgage broker, and you come in and you want to sell AI infrastructures to mortgage lenders. We will actually fulfill and build the AI that you will sell to your mortgage. We will show you the ads. We have the data on the meta ads that work for mortgage. We will generate the creatives. We will write the copy, and we'll launch your ads. And then we will actually place setters in your business to set the leads on your calendar. We'll place closers in your business to close the leads. And so we actually become like your fulfillment. If you want to run your own ads, you can. If you want to create your own copy, build your own landing pages, your own lead magnets, your own personal branding system, you're free to do that. The biggest thing here is we will actually will fulfill on the infrastructure. And if you want, we can go further and actually make you a fulfillment partner as well. So we can turn you into a fulfillment partner as well. Okay. Meaning you can fulfill for other people selling AI. And that's the business model that I really like. I look at it like a solar installer. You have your solar installer, and then you have all your sales dealers. Similar here, I want to show you how to build an AI business. So you're the AI installer, and then you have growth partners who are your sales dealers, your sales development teams who are going into different niches. Okay, so what you're really trying to do here is you're trying to become an installation company, an AI installation company. You're installing AI into other people's businesses, and I can turn you into this, okay? And I can show you how to do this. The next thing would be like our processes, okay? Setting up your domains, your LLCs, getting your audiences, whatever. If you want to hit all the niches, I'll show you how to set up one by one and get your niches and your targeting dialed. If you want to go broad, I'll show you just broad personal branding, how I did it. Show you some sales scripts, how you can sell and do some consulting, because ultimately when you're getting on sales calls, You're going to want to understand the person's business, what their needs are, what their problems are, the constraints in the business, and how AI will open up those constraints and help them get to 100K or 200K or $1 million a month. Okay. And then just email marketing. I'm super big on email marketing. This is like one of the major things. I'll probably do like just a cold email marketing campaign for AI just in and of itself. I mean, I also like meta ads. It's a lot easier. Obviously, you guys got in here through a meta ad. And then the last thing would be prompting and scripting. Okay, this is something that would go with your fulfillment. Okay, so there's a whole mental shift in AI from tasks orientation to mental models orientation, meaning you're no longer the one that really does the work. You're the one that thinks. And so this is a really good offshoot for my knowledge work or mind work type business, where I basically read this book, Opportunity by Eben Pagan, and it inspired me to think about future-proof skills, which would be things like coaching, info products, anything that works with the mind is really future-proof. And so when you come into HVT, High Vibe Tribe, our community, we're really big on just coaching, education, teaching mental models, ways to think about things, being patient with building, concentration, focusing, actually getting tasks done, stuff like that. And so that's what you're getting with our monthly community. But if you guys want to build the one-man AI business, this system would be something that we would be able to install for you. It's basically like done for you, one-man AI business. And we'll basically help you get your own AI builds. We'll give you the infrastructure, and then we'll actually place talent into your we'll place talent into your fulfillment system. Okay. Now, in terms of the talent, setters, closers, and then the other thing you might want to look at in terms of talent is an AI person. Okay, so someone to actually run the AI for you. Okay, so an AI expert. And interestingly, with HVT coaching, we have a lot of people who are learning these systems, and we can probably even place an AI expert into your business. Just let us know about that. So an AI expert would be someone who's good with not only workflows and automations and all the technology, but also the AI technology itself. And so you'll have access to those experts. Okay. The next thing, in terms of looking at the infrastructure, again, the infrastructure system, be running through Assistable. The process, again, running through ChatGPT, AI, and the talent, again, the AI expert. All right. So this is the system we would be able to install in your business so that you can service other niches, and you can consult with other business owners to basically custom build AI sales agents, AI setters, AI workflows, AI automations to open up their sales process. Okay, open up their lead flow, open up their sales process, get them more deals. And so this is how you're going to get to 100K per month, is by helping others get started with this opportunity. And this is a huge learning curve, right? This is why this technology, implementing this technology costs so much, is because people aren't going to go out and necessarily pay for all this infrastructure, learn the tools, learn the systems, learn AI, learn all about LMMs. And all this took me so much time, so much mental models, so much insights behind this system as to what makes it work. For example, I look at business in terms of like really just four things. I look at it in terms of the offer. I look at it in terms of lead generation, sales, and fulfillment. Okay, I look at business just through this simple lens. And so what you're looking at here is this is the offer. Okay, I'm going to help you basically sell AI infrastructures and get to 100K per month selling AI. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to create your cold outreach campaign for you. We're going to run all your ads for you. We're going to generate the ads with AI so they're scroll stopping. We're going to create the copy and the emails with ChatGPT prompts. And we're going to set up your AI setters and your AI conversational SMS. We're going to also, if you want, let you white label our entire system and apply it to any other niches that you want. And then we can also possibly help you, depending on the size of the build that you need, right? Depending on how large of a build, this virtual sales floor, we would populate with closers and setters. So all the leads coming in from email, all the leads coming from Meta, the leads coming in from your personal brand are all getting called. Okay. So if that makes sense and you guys are ready to move on to talk to me personally and see how we can apply this to your business. I know we have had a couple guys that are trying to take product to market. The biggest thing here that I want you guys to look at is, for step number one, is we're going to look and see, we're typically looking at the metadata. Okay. Metadata is any of the data that comes across, even in email. Emails have metadata. Metadata is like the words in the copy. And if you're taking any product to market, what we're looking at is what kind of meta ads can we create that are going to, one, use Meta has inbuilt AI targeting that's going to reach out to your audience for you. And then we're going to also look at AI generated creatives with DALL-E 2, pair that with copy. Okay. Pair that with copy. And we're going to ask ChatGPT for help with copy. But the thing is that the meta ads are done for you. So we're looking for, we're going to get interest in your products and services this way. We're going to hook it up with the CRM. Okay, this is huge. This is kind of overlooked. So the CRM is going to be done for you, placed into your business. And the CRM comes with a setter, a live human being, a setter that's going to watch your CRM and set on your calendar. Okay. And we can also place closers. So leads are interested in your product. Setters call with a script, with your sales scripts. Set them on your calendar. Oops. And they get on your calendar so that you can call them and close them. Okay. We can also train closers, and then we can put together your full sales team as well. So this is a full sales build out for your business. And we can, so if this is making sense and you guys want to get started, for example, look at the personal branding thing. This is a personal branding thing. This is a personal branding play. I have a little picture. It's a little AI generated image. I'm just branding myself, Jeff, and these are my headlines, right? So this is the business. It's a personal brand business. You're getting into the AI space. And the power of this is actually in the sales. The power of this is you not having to reach out to every single lead. Okay. So if this is making sense, I want you guys to go ahead and book a call. And if our AI is texting you, just text the AI that you want to book a call. It'll send you times that we have available, and one of our team members will reach out. Okay. And we can get this set up for you and let you know the price points and everything. And it really depends on, are you qualified? Okay. Are you making good monthly income or not? Are you qualified for this or not? This isn't a low ticket offer. But just look at the build, an entire cold email outreach, a media buyer almost placed into your business, white labeled AI. Like this isn't cheap. Okay. So jump in there, guys, and we'll see you in the next, we'll see you guys on a call. Thanks.